Changing a fire sprinkler head might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's pretty doable. And let's dive right in. You need the right tools, a wrench, a new sprinkler head, make sure it's the same type, and some Teflon tape. Missing any of these can mean a world of headaches later. First things first, safety is key, my friends. Make sure you turn off the water supply to the sprinkler system. Missing this step is like asking for an unplanned indoor water show, and not the entertaining kind. Now, locate the sprinkler head you want to change. Stand on a reliable ladder for safety, and get close enough to inspect. Is it corroded, leaking, or painted over? These are common voices crying out for replacement. Okay, so you've decided it's time for a change. Use a wrench to carefully unscrew the old sprinkler head. Be gentle. You don't want to mess with the piping or accidentally activate another sprinkler. This is a finesse job, not a brute force one. Once removed, clean any residue or old sealant from the pipe threads. A clear surface ensures a tight, leak-free seal. This is a 2-second job that saves months of frustration later. Quality results. Start with a clean slate. Here's a pro tip. Wrap Teflon tape around the threads of the new sprinkler head. Not too much, but just enough to create a watertight seal. And this trick ensures you don't deal with awful drips and leaks after assembly. Align the new sprinkler head and screw it into place by hand. Once secure, use the wrench to finish tightening. Here's another pro tip. Don't over tighten. It should be, snug, not strangled. This saves you from stripping threads or causing damage. Now that the new head is in place, turn the water supply back on. Slowly. You want to check for leaks. If the new head drips, double check that Teflon tape and give it another quarter turn with the wrench. If everything looks good, you're nearing the finish line. Run a test to ensure the new sprinkler activates without a hitch. A functional test confirms you've done the job right. Peace of mind and a safer home. Isn't that why we're here? Changing a fire sprinkler head isn't something you do every day, but knowing how can save you from expensive repairs down the line. Plus, the gratification of a DIY win is sweet. It's the little victories, right? And remember, doing these small repairs promptly can mean the difference in a life-saving scenario. And if you ever feel out of your depth, call in a professional to assist. Safety first, always. So there you have it, my guide to changing a fire sprinkler head. Hope it helps you tackle this task like a champ. Adds one more skill to your DIY kit and maybe even save you $1 or $2.